In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bill for job costs in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture costs you owe to vendors and accurately tie them to a job or project so your reporting stays clean and your margins stay clear. Start by going to the New button at the top left of your QuickBooks Online screen. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a plus sign labeled New. This is the hub for creating transactions. Using this button keeps your workflow consistent and ensures the transaction lands in the right place for reporting. From the options that appear, select Bill. A bill in QuickBooks records money you owe a vendor and posts it to accounts payable. It's different from an expense or a check because it tracks terms and due dates, which is especially useful when you want to manage cash flow and job costs over time. Now, enter the details of your job costs on the bill form. Choose the vendor you're paying, then confirm the bill date, terms, and due date. If you received a document from the vendor, type the bill number exactly as shown so you can find it later. In the Category or Item Details section, select the appropriate expense account or product/service that matches the work or materials for the job. Add clear descriptions that reference the job, such as the phase or location, so anyone reviewing the transaction understands what it covers. If you track projects or customers for job costing, use the Customer Project field on each line to assign these costs to the correct job. If you plan to invoice the customer for these costs later, mark the line as billable and set the appropriate markup if your workflow uses it. If your company uses classes or locations, apply them consistently to keep segment reporting accurate. Enter quantities, rates, or amounts as needed, and verify any tax settings that apply to your region and transaction type. Attach supporting documents, like the vendor's invoice or receipts, using the attachment area. Keeping documents with the bill helps with audits and speeds up approvals. Before you save, review the totals, vendor, and job assignments one last time. When everything looks right, click Save. QuickBooks records the bill to accounts payable and includes those costs in your job and project reports, giving you a clear view of profitability. That's it. You've created a bill that captures your job costs accurately. Repeat this process for each vendor invoice related to the job, and you'll maintain reliable, real-time job cost visibility and smoother billing downstream.